Morning Class 6. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Today in this video lecture we'll discuss about chapter 10 and the remaining part of chapter 10, that is motion. In the first part of this chapter 10 we already had discussed about the story of transport and measurement. So today we'll start about motion and types of motion we will learn and how this rest and motion is related with measurement and the story of transport. We learned that people move from one place to another with the help of various types of vehicles, and they have to choose vehicles depending upon the distance from one place to another place. That is, they walk, they use a cycle, they use a car, or they use a bus, or they use a railway service, or they use flight or aeroplane, or if they are moving to different planets, now spacecraft is there. So we will discuss about this transport and measurement of distances. But if you observe in your surroundings, then you will observe a very important thing, that is, the position of things change with respect to time. Means if you observe in your surrounding, you will see plants, cars, home, several animals, sun, stars, moon. These all things you observe in your surroundings. But if you observe them continuously, then you will find that with the passage of time or with time, some of them change their position in a pattern and some of them does not change its position. So today we will understand two terms, that is motion and rest. So first of all, what is motion? So motion is when a body change its position. When a body changes its position with respect to time or with the passage of time, this body is in motion. The body is said to be in motion. Again I am repeating, when a body changes its position with the passage of time or with respect to time, this body is said to be in motion. And the rest just opposite of that. That when a body does not changes, when a body does not change its position with the passage of time or with respect to time, the body is said to be in rest position. The body is said to be in rest position. Like your home. Your home is not changing its position with respect to time. So it is said to be in rest. But see, your car, your bicycle, even you, the hands of or arms of clock, your fan, parts of your fan, they change its position with respect to time. So if you observe several type of things in your surrounding, some of them are in motion, some of them are in rest. Now let's take an example, or you can say an activity. What we have to do? We have to spread some paper on the ground and put some sugar cubes and observe that ants will come and they will move along they move towards the sugar cube. You just need to do that, you just to mark the position with the help of a pen and just make points that where this ant is moving on the paper. So after, when ants will move out by taking the sugar cubes, take the paper and just try to add the points. You will find that this motion is a very amazing character. that it is not in a straight line, and if you try to observe, it is also not in a proper curved line. It is in zigzag manner. I mean, there is no pattern in the motion. So these ants are moving in random motion. I mean, they are not moving in a straight line. They are not moving in a proper curved way. They are moving in a random pattern. There is no pattern. You cannot say that there is a pattern of movement of these ants. So this pattern is called random motion. I hope you will learn, you will understand this topic, motion and rest. If any problem, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you, class.